I work with a small conservation group that surveys old parcels of land for environmental records. Most of the time, it's boring, counting trees, logging soil samples, marking wildlife. But every now and then, we get assigned a place that doesn't feel right. That summer, my supervisor handed me a thin folder marked Track 14. It had barely any notes. The last entry, written in shaky handwriting, simply read, "Old dwelling remains." Advise caution. I thought it was strange, but figured it meant falling structures, rusty nails, nothing supernatural. I packed my gear and headed into the woods. The hike was long, the trail overgrown. By the time I reached the marker, the forest had grown unnervingly quiet. Even the insects seemed to avoid the place. At the center of the plot, I found it. The remains of an old foundation. Just stones stacked in a rectangle, sunken into the earth. Inside, a rusted stove leaned sideways, half buried in dirt. Nearby, a child's metal lunchbox sat rusting away. I knelt, brushing it open. Inside were marbles, bright, colorful, almost untouched by time. It was like they'd been waiting there for decades. That's when I heard footsteps. Not behind me, not beside me. They came from everywhere at once, circling the foundation, slow and deliberate. "Hello?" I called out, trying to keep my voice steady. Silence. Then a whisper drifted through the trees. "Come back." I spun around, flashlight beam jerking from trunk to trunk. Nothing, but the voice came again, closer this time. "Come back." I stuffed the lunchbox shut and started walking fast, heart thudding in my ears. The forest felt like it was tightening, trees leaning closer with every step. The whispers didn't stop. They followed me, shifting voices. I thought I recognized my mother, my brother, even my own, each one saying the same words. "Come back." Panic clawed at me. I broke into a run, branches snapping across my face, roots grabbing at my boots. My lungs burned. Just when I thought I couldn't go any further, the trees thinned and I saw it. The road. My truck waiting at the edge. I stumbled into the clearing, chest heaving, but froze. There was someone standing by my truck. A figure in a stained canvas coat, its brimmed hat shadowing its face. One arm rose slowly, pointing back toward the woods. Back toward Track 14. I blinked and it was gone. The clearing was empty. Only the wind moved through the grass. I didn't wait. I jumped into my truck, slammed the door, and sped down that road until the forest was nothing but a smear in the rearview mirror. Later, I tried to find the file again. The folder labeled Track 14 wasn't in the office anymore. No one admitted to knowing what I was talking about. But I know what I saw. And I know what I heard. The marbles, the whispers, the figure pointing me back. And sometimes, in the dead of night, I still hear that voice, "Come back."